Hello friends, this is my new video. In this video, I will tell you about the tricks of the Google. So let's open our Google. Now, the first trick is that if you search here, do a barrel roll. Do a barrel roll. Now search it. See, the Google will do a barrel roll. Now, the another trick is that if you search here Google gravity. Now search it. See, for this you have to open this first website. Now made it as a desktop site view so that you can easily see it. It has been done. See, the Google has lost its gravity. See, now the another trick is that if you search here THANOS, now you have to click on this hand. When you will click on this hand, see, all the information will be disappear. Oh my god, it is amazing. See, if you scroll down, the information is not here. Now the another trick is that if you search here friends phobia, now search it. See, you have to click on this guitar. It will play a song. Now the another trick is that if you search here ZERG rush, now search it. Now you have to click on this first website. Now see, our game has been started. In this small balls will kill our data. You have to kill them. See, they have come and you have to kill them. See, you have to kill them all one by one. It is so difficult. Now see, they have stolen all my data. Now they are making some symbol. Let's see what symbol they are making. They are making a GG symbol, good game. Now the another trick is that if you search here the play breakout on Google, play breakout on Google. See, you have to click on this first website. See, our game has been started. You can play this game. See, this is the ball and this is the paddle. You can move this paddle. It is not moving. Yes. See, you can play this game. Oh my god. See. Now the another trick is that if you search here Google Gugot. Now search it. Gugot. Now click on this first website. See, it is looking very amazing. Google. You can search here also. You can search anything here. If I search here, images of nature. If you will search it, images of nature. Now search it. See, the images has been come. Now the another trick is that if you search here zoom quilt, zoom quilt. Now you have to go to this first website. See, it is loading. See, it will zoom and zoom and zoom. It will never end. It will zoom and zoom and zoom. It is so long. See, it will zoom and zoom. Now the another trick is that if you search here Google underwater, Google underwater. Now click on this first website. Now see, the Google is underground. See, the Google is in underground. If you search here more fish please, search it. See, more fish will come. Now the another trick is that if you search here epic Google, let's search here epic Google, epic Google. Now you have to open this first website. See, the Google will increase and increase and increase its size. See, it is increasing its size. Now decreasing. Now the another trick is that if you search here Google PACMAN, Google PACMAN. Now you can easily play this game, and if you click on the arrow, see there are more games. You can try this all the games. In this you can flip a coin, color pickle, roll a dice, spinner, calculator. If I click on the spinner, see a fidget spinner. Now click on it. Now you have to spin it. See, you can spin this spinner. Now if you change it to number, see, let's see which number will come. 10. Now spin again, and number 9, 6. Now the another trick is that if you search here Google Sphere, Google Sphere, click on this first website. See, now you have to make a desktop site view. Click on this. Now our desktop site view is open. Now it is taking some time. You can also search here. See, you can search anything here as you wish. See, now our Google Sphere is ready. Whenever you will move your cursor according to that, the sphere will move. Now the another trick is that if you search here Google Rainbow, Google Rainbow. Now open this first website. See, this is very amazing. Colorful Google. Now if you search here, now the another trick is that if you search here Google in space, Google in space, now you have to open, see this website, first website, Google space. See, the Google will lost its gravity. See, you can also move them. Now if you open this first website of Google Sky, see there is also an amazing one. See, Google Sky. See, it is very amazing. See, this is a galaxy. If you search here for this solar system, see, this is the solar system. This is the Milky Way. Now this is the solar system. If you click on the sun, this is the sun. See, you can easily zoom it also. See, this is our many stars. So the stars. See. Now the another trick is that if you search here Google in 1980, Google in 1980. Now search it. See, you have to open this first website. See, the Google in 1980 looks like this. It is loading. See, it is amazing. This is a keypad. Let's make it the desktop side view. It is loading again. Let's wait. See, Google BSNL tune serial connected long time. See, the Google has been combed. Now the another trick is that if you search here, you will search here Google Pirate. Google Pirate. Pirate. Now you have to click on this first website. See, it is coming here. Engravings. Now see, me dislikes and dislikes. It is like a pirate language. Now the another trick is that if you search here Google snake, Google snake. Now see, the snake game will come. You can easily play this game. See, you have to make it like this. Oh god, you can easily play this game. Now the another trick is that if you search here ELOOG, it is a reversed form of Google. Now click on this first website. See, all the things will come in a mirror language. See, it is ELOOG, it is IRMOM. It is like another language. Now the another trick is that if you search here Google Pond, Google Pond, now search it. Now you have to open this first website Google Pond Poly. It is loading. See, See, a Google pond will come like this. It is very amazing. You can view in now. You can also see this one also. Let's see this, what is in this. It is loading. Yes, it is ready now. It is loading. It is taking some time. Let's wait it for a while. See, it has been come. It is very amazing to see. See, these are the lake. This is the fire. Now, this is the trees. There is a small house here. Now, and you will see there are some animals also here. Let's see this. Yes, there are some animals also. See, mountains and clouds. It is very amazing. See, if you will look from here. Now, the another trick is that if you search here, play the answer to life the universe. According to Google, it is 42. Thank you for watching the video and do not forget to subscribe our channel.